Understanding Serve Someone Right, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a common but intriguing phrase, serve someone right. This idiom might sound formal or even a bit old-fashioned, but it's widely used in everyday English. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and delve into some examples to help you understand how to use it effectively in your conversations. Serve someone right is an idiom used to express the belief that someone has received the punishment or consequences they deserved because of their actions, especially bad or wrong actions. It implies a sense of justice or moral rightness in the outcome. This phrase often carries a tone of satisfaction or approval from the speaker regarding the punishment or consequences faced by the person in question. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to look at the components of the phrase. Serve, in this context, doesn't refer to serving food or providing a service. Instead, it's about someone receiving something that is deemed appropriate for their actions. Someone is a placeholder for any person who is facing the consequences. Right here means correct or deserved, not the opposite of left. It suggests that the outcome is fitting or appropriate given the circumstances. Let's see how this idiom plays out in real-life scenarios. After cheating on the test, Alex got caught and failed the class. One might say, it served him right for cheating. If someone constantly ignores advice and then faces problems because of that, you might hear, well, it serves her right for not listening. These examples show how the phrase is often used to comment on someone's misfortune or difficulties, highlighting a perceived fairness in the situation. This idiom is commonly used in informal conversations and is best suited for situations where you want to express a sense of justice or approval of the consequences someone faces for their actions. However, it's important to use it with caution. Ensure the context is appropriate and won't offend or hurt the person you're talking to. It's more often used among friends or in a more casual setting. In formal situations, it might be better to express the sentiment in a more direct or less idiomatic way. Understanding idioms like serve someone right can add nuance and depth to your English conversations, allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly and vividly. Remember, idioms can add color to your language, but understanding the context and usage is key to employing them effectively. We hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this phrase and encourages you to use it when the moment is just right. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.